Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. Today I'm going to be doing initial review on this $42 wig that I bought from Super Milo Hair on AliExpress. I've worn it a couple times, so I have all the juicy details about that, the pros and the cons, things that I did like or didn't like about the unit. And it is a full frontal wig, 13 by 13. And this is what the hairline looks like. I'm just showing you guys this before I put on the wig. It has some glue still on here from the last time I wore it. I didn't clean it, so yeah, y'all are just gonna have to deal with it looking like that. And this is the color. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like one more time before I actually put it on my head. Through the magic of television, we're gonna snap our fingers and I'm gonna have the wig on. So alright guys, and just like that, we have secured the wig. Now, the wig is not glued, but it is a glueless wig, so you don't have to wear glue because it has 4 clips in it, so you can just, you know, clip it into your hair and, you know, be ready to go. It does fit me pretty snug, so there's not a whole lot of moving, but like I said earlier, I do have some glue still on the lace, so that could help with some stickage. This was apparently 12 inches, and there is no way in hell that this is 12 inches. What I did do to it was detail the A-line, because as you guys can see, it's more of an A-line bob. So the back here was the back of the wig, the unit, was a lot shorter than the sides and the front. So all I did was just, you know, blend that in a little bit more to sharpen that line so it looks more like an A-line bob, because it wanted to be an A-line bob, but it wasn't all the way there. So all I did was clean up the back a little bit more just to make it look more detailed, and this is what it looks like close up. And the hair, they claimed that the hair was Indian hair. I'm gonna be honest and tell you that it definitely does not feel like Indian hair. It feels more like the Brazilian texture. It's really lightweight, and yeah, Indian hair I find to be more heavy. So I don't think it's Indian hair, so I don't know if that's a lie, but it's definitely not no Indian hair, and it's definitely not 12 inches. So if you guys do want a 12-inch wig from this company, I suggest ordering the 14, and hopefully then you get 12 inches. But those little details are not that important because of the price. The one reason why I think the price was so affordable was based on shipping. I forgot to touch on that in the first initial unboxing video, but there was quite a little while I had to wait to receive this wig. I waited 2 weeks to get this wig. It did not come express shipping, but it came from China, and it was shipped and delivered in my mailbox within 2 weeks. I don't think that's a big deal if you're looking for something that's really affordable. Like, you can't go wrong. The hair feels soft, it washes well, so there's no like tangles or snags. Again, it's not secured 100%, but that's what it looks like on the side. Hopefully you guys can see that. Looking in the viewfinder to make sure that you can pick up on the sides. I didn't do much plucking. I did do some plucking on the hairline itself. I just deepened the part because it was quite close, so I just plucked some hairs, more hairs out of the part, but you don't have to. I just find that it gives it a more natural look, and my hands are running through it. I'm not experiencing any shedding at all. Yeah, no shedding. I'm going to show you the back one more time. I like it for the price. I would order it again if I wanted just a cheap alternative, but there were some things that I had to do to make it look good. I would recommend it for $42 for a wig that's human hair. Can't go wrong. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely come back with another update in about a month's time and let you know how the hair has changed. Until next time, guys. Peace.